Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We have just seen the end of the race of the 5-kilometer run 2017 Young Dynamos Club. Today's guest of honor is Mr. Praveen, the Detective Inspector at Afzalganj. Give him a big hand. We have two special prizes. We had a young girl of 8 years who had participated in this race. She is Miss Anaga of class 4. It is a great achievement for her because it is her first race. Am I right? She gets a certificate and a cash prize of 500. Before we proceed with the next prize winner, may I request President Mr. Giridhar Gaud to please be present at the dais. The 9th place goes to chest number 43, Yogendar Yadav, with a time of 16.59 seconds. Eighth place to chest number 45, S. Vinod, with a time of 16.40 seconds. Okay, we have another senior veteran athlete among us, Mukta Sejwalkar. She has been a marathon runner, and may I request her to be on the dais and give away prizes to two of the athletes. Medal winner in the Pune Marathon. Am I right, Mukta? She is a gold medalist in All India Universities and she is now with the South Central Railway. The 8th place goes to chest number 37, Rishabh, 16.36 seconds. Very wide range of sports to her career, starting from shot put to long distance to middle distance. Fifth place goes to chest number 53, B. Ramesh, with a timing of 16.26 seconds. May I now introduce you to the backbone of this entire event, Chandrasekhar sir and Aditya Verma, and Aditya Verma, who is a state level coach, and there is a long list of achievements which I may not be able to actually announce here. Please find it on the Facebook of the YDC page. Send some good wishes to the athletes, sir. May I now request Chandrasekhar sir to please give away the prizes to second and first. And I also request the second and first prize winners to be available for the evening. Chest number 36, Vijay Kumar G, with a timing of 15.44 seconds. I request both the guest of honor and Chandrasekhar sir to please give away the trophy to the second prize winner. The first prize goes to chest number 1, Yeram Naidu, with a time of 15.
Chest number 56.
I correct, chest number 56, CH Yeram Naidu, with a timing of 15.36 seconds. Give him another round of applause, please. He has been consecutively winning this race for the last 3 years. I hope he has improved his time. All the best.
All first place.